In this video, we will see how to clear ChatGPT memory. But before that, we need to understand why it is needed, right? So let me tell you, if you are using free version, so this issue is only with the free version only, because free version model is having some limitation to remember the things. Okay, so if you are using ChatGPT free version for last 7 to 15 days continuously, and you are continuously writing the prompts and extracting the information, so there is a limit. If that got filled up, you might experience some slowness in the response. You might get some mistakes, many mistakes in the response. Model will not respond appropriately whatever you needed, right? So in that case, what you can do, you can just clear the ChatGPT memory. So let me tell you how to clear that. You just need to click on your profile icon, and from here you need to click on setting. Here you can see general. There are multiple options like general, notification, personalization. So click on personalization, and here you can see manage memory, right? So see here, other things also. Reference saved memory, you can disable it. It will not save anything. Reference chat history, so these are already enabled, because whatever I am writing, it should be saved, so that when I give the prompt, it will give me a appropriate answer, right, related to that. So if your chat gpt is not working or hanging, or like in speed is slow, you can clear the memory. Manage memory, and here you can see, you will see the list of all prompts, all the chats which you used in the last time. So you can remove one by one, or you can delete all chats, right? So let me clear it. So this is clear now. Also here you can see data control. From data control, you can delete all the chats from here also, right? Delete or archive all chats, right? So there are multiple options. So in my case, I'm just deleting it. Okay, so that's it. If you see now, model is blank. There is a nothing, no chat is there, right? So this is how you can deal with chat gpt memory in free version.